how to do it. I just can't.
Over.
Hi, I'm Leon, and we're doing a video of Quasar. He is like a crab. My other Quasar I built with my Megazord didn't look quite like crab, so I decided to make Quasar different, to make the claws and the antennas and the little crumbled out legs. So the claws can move up and down. The claws open. Snap. One piece of him goes with Megazord, and these, and the crumbled out legs, and the antennas, and the body, and his claws go with the Quasar. For a second, you could use these for swords, but I don't want to do that because they're really that. So thanks for watching. And he has another set of eyes. He has 3 sets of eyes. And that's pretty good. You can't see his other set of eyes because his face is covered. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe for Elo's Imagination. Thanks for watching.